Alright, let's talk about VoiceBox. What you can hear about this project. It's local and free, and provides functionality like 11 Labs. Although by my opinion those two cannot match. Not in real sense. 11 Lab it's full professional service, while VoiceBox it's generally okay. But in comparison to 11 Labs acts more like a half product than as complete service. Well, first of all, how you are going to install it? Go to their GitHub page and check on releases. I tried multiple releases, and later on I'm going to explain you why. And one that I ended with, it's this one, 0.1.12. And I downloaded this file for my Windows 10 machine. But what's the catch? Let me show you. When I installed it, installation was right, so no problem on that part. But when you check models, when you click on download, there is a notification about the download percentage, but it doesn't work. So naturally I believe that app is stuck. But no, download continues in background. So for that reason I reinstalled different versions until I realized what is actually happening. But after these two models were installed, from that moment on I have been able to use this app. Another issue, when you open voices, keep in mind that voice that you are going to provide must be loud enough in order for this to work. Well, you don't have to yell or something, but this audio needs to be really loud if you don't want to experience error messages and so. So first, in order to be able to use it, we have to create voice. You can create voice from three sources, from upload, from records, and from system audio. And now, because I'm using Parsec in order to access my Windows machine, I'm going to go with uploads. I'm going to choose file, and I have this voice 1 that is loud enough. This is one simple example of my voice that I'm going to use with VoiceBox. And now I'm going to transcribe it. Alright, I'm going to name it. You can choose from list of different languages if you want. I'm going to continue with English. I'm going to create profile. I'm going to check this voice, and now I'm going to provide prompt. Let's see how it's going to work.
Please tell me something in my very own voice. Take your time.
Okay, I'm not perfectly satisfied, but it's close enough. Let's try this. Let's go with stories. Stories, it's an interesting feature. I'm going to create a new story. My story. In here you can create conversation. For example, if you have like 2 or 3 or 5 different voices, doesn't matter. In here you are going to be able to create entire debate. Alright, let's start with the first recording. Okay, first one is done properly. Now let's make another one. Now I can overlap these recordings. I'm going to create one more. Alright, let's hear it.
Please allow me to introduce myself to myself. My name is Alex from Kind Spirit Technology YouTube channel. We are dealing with AI, IoT, programming and other tech solutions.
Okay, let's see.
We are dealing with AI, IoT, programming and other tech solutions.
With this page you are going to manage your voices. Now let's see this one for managing audio devices, and finally for models. And final tab, it's actually for server IP address and for updates. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe and see ya!